Hey guys, it's Narcos. Today I'll be showing you how I edit my audios. So I have taken this song. So double click L and go to the beat. I think it's here. And yeah. And place a marker. Use Ctrl plus 8. So now right click it and go to time stretch, and I'll be putting 110, I guess. So the marker is gone. So now go to effects and preset and search for bass and treble. So I'll be using this, and come back few frames backward. I'll be placing about here, I guess, and put this value -20 and -80, and click the clocks and go to your marker and press EU and go here and reset. So now duplicate this effect. So now you have your audio. So that's it.